In 2026, you shouldn't be building a single application that's not agent first. But what does that mean and how do I do it? Let me show you. To make this easy, I'm going to use the Agent Native Framework as a starting point, copying the command from the homepage, and running it in my terminal. Once the starting point's created, we'll cd into our app and use Claude or whatever you prefer to add our first prompt. To make it a to-do app, I'll just say, make this a to-do app. This framework comes with a bunch of skills and instructions built in, so just asking any agents to do what you want or make what you want should give you a good starting point. Now that Claude is done, we have this. Looks like a to-do app, it works like a to-do app, and it seems basic on the surface. But here's the important part. By default in this application, anything the UI can do, an agent can do. So for instance, I can say add a to-do to make my demo. Plug in any model that you want, any keys that you want, and there we go. The agent and the UI are always in sync. If I update the UI, the agent's aware, and when I send commands to the agent, the changes reflect instantly in the UI. Anything the UI can do, the agent can do, no matter what. And so that means if you want a completely agent-first experience, you can just use the chat. From the chat, you can have it bring UI to you. For instance, show me my to-dos. And there we go. There's my same to-do list in line, fully interactive, the same way I've always done it. The agent can operate anything. I can say, take me to the to-dos page. And it'll do that in a cool way that morphs me from the chat on the side to the chat as the focus. But you also don't have to use the built-in chat at all. You can put /MCP at the end of any agent native app URL and connect it to any agent. Now I can manage my tasks from Claude and say things like mark my demo to do as done. Makes the update, the app updates in real time, and now I can manage my tasks from Claude or any other agent. I can also talk to my agent using GPT real-time voice.
How can I help you?
Please delete my make my demo to do.
All set. I deleted make my demo from your to-do list.
Just have a conversation with your app. And in the case of using the Agent Native Framework, I got all these pieces for free. Claude didn't write all this from scratch. It assembled pieces from a toolkit. A toolkit is a bunch of these robust pieces, like the chat UX, integrations, agent management, etc. And you build your app on top of that and integrate those pieces however you want. For instance, if I now tell Claude, let me edit each to-do in a Notion-style editor, what it'll do is it'll borrow pieces from the toolkit. The toolkit has things like a very rich Notion-style editor that you can import or eject and customize. Ejection is a lot like how ShadCN components work, where it copies the components to your code and you can edit any part. And now back in the app, I get these buttons to open up a Notion-style editor, where I can add apples, oranges, red. I can add code snippets if I want. Whatever, this is literally just Notion, basically copy-pasted in here. And under the hood, the framework builds everything in terms of actions. Actions are composable pieces that power your UI and the agent. It is why if I say something like add eggs to my Get Groceries detail list, the agent automatically can update anything. It is a unified system for agent tools and front-end actions. So you only have to worry about one or the other. If I build the front end and it has features, the agent can use every feature automatically. That's what we mean by agent first. It's easier to debug, it's a nice UX when you want a front end, and then when you only want to talk to it over agents or Telegram or Slack or Claude, that all just works out of the box. Agents can also talk to other agents. So I can make an ask that says, hey, ask our analytics agent for some data, and use that to create the to-do, like boosting our signups by 10% of what that number is. I generated this app inside a workspace. It's like a monorepo of multiple agents or multiple agentic apps. By default, they discover each other and can talk to each other. So if I want to grab data and generate a slide deck off of it, I can. If I want to make a piece of content that references my to-do list, I can. You can make factories of knowledge work agents all within one monorepo, sharing code and skills and anything else. Analytics agent replied with the data I need, and here is my new task. The agent that comes out of the box here is also a full-featured agent, just like you'd use in Claude or Codex. So we can add automations, integrations, create skills, add scheduled tasks. For example, I can say, check my Granola once an hour for follow-up items and add them as tasks. I see a button to connect Granola, and then done with that, submit my prompt. And now it added my hourly job to do that for me. This runs in the cloud. You could deploy it anywhere. For example, I'm using Netlify here. You don't need any special agent servers or anything like that. Wherever you deploy any app, you can deploy one of these. And of course, the best part is, this is all open source, it's MIT licensed, it's a foundation to build upon. So if you've ever wanted your own version of Claude, Codex, whatever, but something you can build applications on top of to add value around and inside the agent, agentic apps is the future in my opinion. I like to call them agents with faces. You give up nothing from an agent and you get everything from an app. And every moment you can choose which you prefer and interact with the agent from anywhere, from any agent, and to any agent.